Every sunrise brings a new beginning, but the quality of your day depends on the sleep that came before it. Sleep is not a pause from life. It's an essential process that renews your mind, body, and soul. During deep sleep, your brain clears toxins, rebuilds neural connections, and consolidates memories. Qualpris. When sleep is cut short, concentration fades, emotions fray, and your ability to cope with stress. REM sleep, the dreaming phase, is when creativity blooms and emotions are gently processed. Quality rest restores balance. Without it, your emotional stability teeters, and consistent bedtime routine free from screens, caffeine, and chaos signals your body it's time to heal. In this stillness, the mind regains its calm, the heart slows, and the nervous system finds harmony again. When you wake rested, your thoughts are clearer, your emotions lighter, and your resilience stronger.
Sleep is the foundation of mental health. Nurture it, and your mind will thrive. Stay balanced. Subscribe to Healthy Sphere 100 360, where wellness meets wisdom.